Here's how to enable HTTP and API requests in Roblox Studio. So the first step is to open up your experience. Now you're gonna have to publish this to Roblox first. So click on File in the top left corner. Now I'm using a MacBook. On Windows it will be way easier, but on MacBook you just have to click on File and then click on Publish to Roblox. Now once we do that, we just have to enter the name and everything and then click on Create. Now we just have to wait until this loads up. So basically, after we do that, we're gonna have to open the game again. So let's open up Roblox Studio again. And then basically what we're gonna have to do, so let's open this one. So as you can see, this one is public. So if it's not public, you won't be able to basically enable the HTTP and the API requests. So go to File again, and then we just have to go to Experience, Settings, go to Security, and then as you can see here, we have HTTP requests. So we just have to enable this, and then here we have the API services. So make sure to enable these two options and click on Save, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.